All the time. This one's going out. So these people use these planes like they are people with a boat. So they fly that way towards Manhattan. It's basically joyriding in a plane, like it's a boat. Now another one should be coming in right now, or going out. So there's the runway, is right over there. You can't really see it. It's behind those trees, but that's what happens over here. This is Essex County Airport, Essex County, New Jersey. Now another one will be rolling in right now, flying in. Let's see if we can catch one coming in. But I think when the skies are like this, even though they look cloudy, they get to enjoy their aircrafts. You see him going out? Another one going out. It's crazy. Boom. Out for a joyride. God bless America.